And now we are going to see about Yagi Uda Antenna. Actually, the Yagi Uda antenna consists of reflector, driven element, and one or more directors. The driven element has is a resonant dipole antenna. It is an active element. The second one is a reflector antenna. It is behind the driven element. The third one is a director. It is placed in front. Actually, the director length is 5% longer, and then director length is 5% shorter than the driven element. This is the design formula. The reflector length is 500 divided by f frequency. And then the driven element length is 475 divided by the operating frequency. The director length is 455 divided by the operating frequency. We have to maintain spacing between these three elements. The first one is a reflector. The spacing between reflector and the driven element is zero point 0.1 lambda to zero point 0.4 lambda. For driven to director, the spacing is zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.15 lambda. And then it works based on the inductive, inductive and the capacitive. The spacing and the element length determines the current phase. The reflector behaves inductively and then the director behaves capacitively. More directors increases the gain but it reduces the bandwidth. The next one is the reflector and the director. The reflector refers the forward direction, it cancels the backward radiations. In director, it enhances forward radiation, reduces the backward radiation. For input compensation, the reduced spacing lower the input impedance. Folded dipole is used for compensation. The folded dipole impedance is 292. That is 4 into 73 ohm because here we are using a dipole antenna. Its radiation in impedance is 73 ohm. So this is 4 times of 73. So 292. For general characteristics, three element array is called beam antenna. It is lightweight, low cost, unidirectional. Bandwidth is 2%, gain is 8 dB, and front to back ratio is 20. It has super gain, and the antenna works on fixed frequency. From this, we are going to conclude that this antenna has high gain. It has simple construction with a parasitic element, and it is excellent directivity, and we are going to use it as a TV reception. Gain will be improved by adding the directors. Popular in ultra higher frequency and very high frequency.